This is the Commodore dry bilge system with 4-zone splitter, and today we're going to install it and demonstrate it. Here we have the dry bilge system and the 4-zone splitter mounted to the bulkhead. There are 4 lines running out of the 4-zone splitter going to each of 4 bilges in the catamaran. The dry bilge system has this quick release wiring harness. To demonstrate the system, we have added water to all 4 bilges with different food coloring: red, green, yellow, and blue. Starboard engine room, we have red. In the port engine room, we have green. Forward port bilge, we have yellow. And the forward starboard bilge, we have blue. Now we will turn the dry bilge on using the manual button. Almost immediately, the blue bilge zone primes the pump and starts pumping through the 4-zone splitter. This is going to run 30 seconds and then it's going to switch to the next zone. I'm going to fast forward through the zone so we don't have to wait 30 seconds for each one. Now the 4-zone splitter switched to the next zone and it's going to prime the pump. And now we have the red bilge zone, which is starboard engine room. Now we're switching over to the port hull, which is the yellow bilge. It's all the way across to the other side of the catamaran, so it's going to take just a few seconds to prime, but really pretty quickly. And there we have the yellow. Now we're going to switch over to the port engine room, which is also on the other side of the catamaran. So it's going to take a few seconds to prime, pumping the air out of the line. And now we have green. Here is the pickup sucking up the water from the starboard main bilge. You can see the water all wicking to the sponge on the pickup. The dry bilge works on a timer, so it's going to cycle through all the 4 zones 30 seconds per zone as long as the timer has the pump running. The pump can run dry, so there's no harm in letting it run every single day, even if the bilge is dry. The timer has a wide variety of settings to enable the pump to come on every day, every other day, on the weekend only, and in another video I'll explain how to program it. The 12-volt model has a max amp draw of 6 amps, so I would recommend a 10 amp fuse. The 24-volt model, 3 amps. The 4-zone splitter comes with 4 lengths of 25 feet of hose and 4 inline filters. The dry bilge system itself comes with 1 length of 25 feet of hose and 1 inline strainer. Here is an example of an installed inline strainer.